lights flickering off and on, cars stopped working, appliances breaking down. I looked at her, I said, you have to return all the items you took. A month later, she sends me a text, a big thumbs up. She returned everything. She said everything went back to normal. True story. It's a true story.
I just had something scream, help me.
We just had a scream. Uh-oh. Female, male? Male. They remember seeing a hairbrush lift up and off of a viewer in Alice's room and fly across. They also told me that if you happen to look into the mirror in Alice's room, you will see the vision of a young girl look back at you. Day after day she prayed, until one day a man approached her from out of the surf. He was all dressed in gray, the same color as the mud. And she wiped the tears from her eyes and she saw it was her love. Well, maybe he was just injured and he came back to marry her. And she was so excited that she ran to him with open arms, but he stopped her cold. And he points inland and says, you and the family are in grave danger. A hurricane approaches, you must leave. And he disappears. And she does not know what to do. A few days later, the great hurricane of 1822 hit our shores dead on Pawleys Island, destroyed nearly every home and farm except the young girl's home. It remained standing after the great storm. And that is the legend of the Gray Man.